Hello and welcome YouTube. We back again with another unboxing video. This one is very much a special one for me. Basically, um, if you do have an issue in your home with your Wi-Fi at your home and not covered in some places, let's say I do have like an issue on the second floor. The Wi-Fi is covered, is good, but it's not fast enough. I mean, it's not faster than downstairs. So here is the solution. This is a very great, I have seen for a gigabit, 2 ports, a gigabit. I was searching online, doing some search, finding a solution for the issue I have, and then finally I found this one. People recommend to have TP-Link AV2000 with 2-port gigabit. So this is very much pass-through power line. So you don't have to run any patch cable through the ceiling or under the basement, or you do like a drilling or something. You might gonna do mess in your home. So this one is very much easy and affordable. The price currently on Amazon, it's $82. It was $120, but now it's on sale. I think it's $82 on Amazon. So this one can do internet access through the power line. So you just need to plug one of those devices, which is the sender, to the power outlet, and use one of those ports. You can use your router. You get a patch cable from your router to this port, and then the other one you plug it into the power outlet on the destination or the recipient area that you need to get internet access. So let's do unboxing, then we can see what is inside this box. All right, so make sure this one is 100% sealed. So this one is a brand new and it's sealed. If it's not sealed, there might be a refurbished or a used one. All right, let's do this. And this one comes with a 2 years warranty from TP-Link. This is a manufacturer warranty from a TP-Link. All right, so okay, so I'm gonna unseal it now. All right, so break the seal. There we go. Let me put my garbage here. All right. Okay, now here we go. All right, so first of all, let's do some reviews about this guy. So it's very much plug and play. So it doesn't matter if you are IT experienced or you are just a normal user. So this one doesn't need any kind of configuration. It's a plug and a play, So all right, let's see here. Yeah, so you see the picture that shows you the router on downstairs, and you can plug it in on the second floor. So you will get internet through the gigabit speed. All right, let's see now here. All right. There we go. All right. Okay, let me get this box out here. Okay. So we're gonna open. Here we go. So this is it. All right. So um, doesn't matter which one is the receiver and which one is the transmitter. Both are the same. Let's compare. All right, so this is the one and this is the other one. So it says 200 megabit per second. Sorry, 2000. Sorry, my bad. 2000 megabit per second, which is very much 2000 meg because you have 2 gigabit ports. So you have 1,000 and 1,000. So total is gonna be 2000 megabit per second. All right, and this one, just to be sure with you guys, okay? So this one can be only used on 100 and 120 volt, 50, 60 hertz, 15 ampere. So this is not a European version. So don't try to use this one on any other electricity over 120 volt. So you're gonna burn it. So this is just a US version. So this one is 100 to 120 volts. Anything above 120 volts, this is not the one you are looking for. So this is not recommended. Okay. Just keep in mind the electricity is very important. Okay. So you're gonna make a big damage for your home. So this is just only for US version. Okay. And this side has 2 gig port and nothing else. And the same thing on this one, nothing else. All right, so it has so both has the same light indicator. That's a power, that's a home, that's a network. Okay, so that's gonna tell you exactly what's the status. This is the light status on the end, on the edge here. All right, so let's put those guys on the side. Let's continue discovering what's in the box. All right, okay, nothing else. It's just a quick installation guide. So that has the instructions. It will tell you how to connect to router and how to plug it in and how to get. It's very much plug and play. That's easy, and comes with 2 patch cables. All right, so each one gonna has a patch cable because you need one for the router. So you, let's say this one is plugged in to the power outlet next to the router, so you need a patch cable from one of those ports to your router to get internet. And then when you go upstairs or to where is the computer you need to, you just need to plug it into the power outlet, and then you need another patch cable to get internet access. So yeah, that's very much what we have on TP-Link AV2000 2-port gigabit. So this is pass-through power line. This is very much they called a starter kit. All right, so this is the model number, and like I said, it's currently on Amazon, $82. So if you have any question, guys, feel free to put your comments, and I will reply to your questions, and thumbs up. So please subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching, and have a great evening. Thank you very much. Peace. Bye bye. Thanks.